Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your Sceptre TV. Whether you're experiencing technical issues or just want to start fresh, this guide will help you get your TV back to its factory settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the menu. To begin, grab your remote control and press the menu button. This will bring up the main menu options on your screen. Step 2. Navigating to settings. Using the arrow keys on your remote, navigate to the settings option in the menu. This is where you'll find all the configurations for your TV. Step 3. Selecting system. Scroll down and select system from the settings menu. This section controls the overall system settings of your TV. Step 4. Choosing reset. Within the system settings, look for the reset option. This is where you can initiate the reset process to restore your TV to its original factory settings. Step 5. Confirming reset. When you select reset, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. Here, you'll need to confirm that you want to proceed with resetting your TV. Use the remote to select OK or confirm to initiate the reset. Step 6. TV reboot. After confirming, your Sceptre TV will begin the reset process. It may take a few moments as the TV reboots and restores its default settings. Step 7. Setup wizard, optional. Once the reset is complete, your TV may prompt you to go through a setup wizard to configure initial settings such as language, time zone, and network connection. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Sceptre TV is now reset to its factory settings, ready for you to enjoy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for